Hi everybody. I thought that I would share video tips and tricks. So this is my first attempt and I'm going to start with a formula that's quite simple, but very useful and powerful, I think, and one that I don't think a lot of people know about, and it is the take formula. And where this comes in handy is when you want to just return a certain number or a selected amount of data and you don't want all of it. So in my example here, I'm going to show you have a table called month and sales. And so we can see there are 12 months worth of data, of which we've already gotten 4 months into. But as I'm recording this video, it is the month of April and we haven't finished the month yet. And so maybe we don't want to report the grand total year-to-date sales, which you see there is 81,932. Perhaps we just want to return the first 3 months that are completed. So we can use the take formula to do this. Now I'm going to build this in little steps and stages so you can see how it works. So I'm going to start with the take formula, where you enter just take. You highlight the array of data that you're going to want to pull data from, and specify how many instances of data you want. So in this case, I want 3 months. And what you can see there is it returns a little array of data just for the 3 months. So if I had to change this to 4, it will return 4 months worth of data. Now this isn't maybe the best way to present this data, so I can use date functions like today and month to clean this up a little bit. So if you're familiar with the today function, this would return a number of like 45,000 and change. So it's going to give you a long list, which we don't want, but we want, we're going to wrap today in the month formula. So that's going to return the month of today's date, which is April, or the number 4. And I only want 3 months worth of data there. So I'm going to take today minus 1 should return me 3. Now this isn't the best way to present this data, but what's cool about this is that you can wrap this formula in other functions. So I'm going to wrap it in a sum. And now I'm left with just one number. So alternately, just for illustration purposes, we could do minimum, which returns March, not April, because we're only doing 3 months worth. Whoops. I could do max or average. So there you have it. I think it's a cool little thing that's quite usable, especially when you're dealing with year-to-date numbers, or you just want a certain number of instances returned in your formula. So if you find that useful, give me a thumbs up. Let me know. If you have other ideas of things you want to learn about and would like a little demo on, please let me know in the comments, and I will do my best to start introducing some useful videos. Take care and have a great day.